Okay, now you want to learn about redox reaction. What is redox reaction? Are chemical reactions involving oxidation and reduction occurring simultaneously. Okay, highlight for chemical reactions that involve oxidation and reduction. Now you want to know what is oxidation and what is reduction. Okay, now this one is oxidation and then this one is reduction. Okay, first of all, okay, for oxidation, if that reaction involve gain of oxygen, so that one we call oxidation reaction. If that reaction involve loss of oxygen, so that one we call reduction reaction. For example, for the first one, about gain or loss of oxygen. Okay, for example, A react with BO and produce AO plus B. Okay, this one before the reaction A react with BO. BO, O is oxygen. So, you can see that before is A and then after the reaction become AO. O refer to oxygen. So, meaning that A gain oxygen. When A gain oxygen, so there is oxidation reaction. And then for reduction loss of oxygen. Okay, before the reaction BO and then after the reaction it become B. So you can see that it lost oxygen. Okay, when lost oxygen, so that one we call reduction reaction. Okay, and then the rest you have to remember for oxidation loss of hydrogen. And then number 3, transfer of electron. And then number 4, oxidation number increase for oxidation. And then reduction. Number 2, gain of hydrogen. Gain of hydrogen, reduction. Gain of electron, reduction. Oxidation number decrease. So there is reduction also. Okay, now next example. The first example. Okay, first example involving gain or loss of oxygen. Okay, this one. Copper 2 oxide react with carbon, then produce copper and carbon dioxide. Okay, now you want to check one by one. The first one, copper 2 oxide. Before the reaction, after the reaction, it become copper. So meaning that this one lost its oxygen. So when it lost its oxygen, so there is lost oxygen, there is reduction. So this one is reduction. Okay, that one is reduction. And then the second one, carbon. Carbon before the reaction don't have any oxygen, but after the reaction, it become carbon dioxide. Okay, you can see here, become carbon dioxide. So, meaning that carbon gain oxygen. So, gain oxygen, remember for this one, gain oxygen is oxidation. So, this is oxidation reaction. Okay, oxidation reaction. So this one, the whole reaction, chemical reaction, we call redox reaction because got reduction and got oxidation. Okay, now we want to learn about oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Okay, oxidizing agent meaning that a substance that make oxidation happen. Okay, now you can see that carbon undergoes oxidation because of carbon dioxide. Sorry, not carbon dioxide, copper 2 oxide. Okay, because copper 2 oxide give its oxygen to carbon. Okay, so carbon become carbon dioxide. So, when carbon get oxygen, become carbon dioxide, there is oxidation. Okay, so oxidizing agent is copper 2 oxide. And then reducing agent. Okay, meaning of reducing agent, agent that make a substance undergoes reduction. Okay, so you can see that copper 2 oxide become copper, so undergoes reduction. Okay, why it undergoes reduction? Because of carbon. Carbon take its oxygen, so that's why copper 2 oxide become copper. So it undergoes reduction. So right now, carbon is reducing agent.